Hey, Stephen here with a new video for the DIY guide. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up a smartURL landing page for an album or track. When it comes to what platforms our music should be on, I think it's really important to give people a choice. I started using smartURL for this very reason. Just take a look at this example. You might have seen some of these links around. A lot of big musicians use them, so I thought, well, so should we. So it's really simple to set up. You just basically throw in all of your releases retailer links such as Spotify, iTunes, YouTube, etc. and it just outputs a landing page. It's really clever as well, so if one of those links isn't available in a certain country, it'll hide it from the page. So you can save a lot of hassle here having all of this on one page. Plus you can add some social links such as Instagram and Twitter, etc. and you can have the ability to view stats so you'll know when and where that link was clicked. Really important stuff. So let's dive in and set one of these up. But before that,
subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this.
Okay, first up, head over to manage.smarturl.it. I recommend signing up at this point as you may want to come back later and edit your page or view the stats. With a verified account you can also create a custom name for your link, otherwise you'll get a random array of characters. We want to select the pivot smartURL type as that's the one we can create a landing page with all of our platforms on. If you have an iTunes link, you can add it here and it'll automatically try and pull in information such as artwork and other platform links. If you're not sure how to get your iTunes link, just visit its release page and on the drop down menu underneath its artwork, just select copy link. Okay, when you've entered the iTunes link, it'll go to work trying to find related information. You may want to edit some of it, such as its title. So in this example, I'm just going to remove the EP from this one. If you scroll down, you can see that it's added a bunch of country destination links, which is really handy. Okay, scroll down even more and you can see a preview of what your landing page will look like. Notice that we only have Apple Music and iTunes, so let's add some more links. Okay, just above the preview, just click on that add new retailer button and search for your next store. Let's start with Spotify. If you don't know how to get your link, just navigate to its Spotify page, click on the menu button on the right of the save button and under share, select copy album link. Now paste that into our field to add it to our landing page. You can repeat that last step for other platforms such as SoundCloud, Bandcamp, YouTube, etc. One other thing before we move on, if you scroll up you'll also see a section where you can add social links. These will appear on the top right of your landing page. Once you're done, click on the Save smartURL button either at the top or at the very bottom and wait for it to be created. You now have your own smartURL link. Don't forget that if you've signed up you'll be able to jump back in and edit your links as well as view the stats. Want to see some examples in action? Here's a few of mine. And that's it. Hopefully that made sense and you can go off and make your own smart URLs. If you are, please post them down below, I don't mind. As ever, if you want to see me do more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time with another guide. Bye.